Now we're approaching the house. This first room we're coming to contains what they call a lamb oven, which is like a big pizza oven. Now, as you can see, some bits have got glass missing, but in here, as you can see, we've already moved some stuff in. There's my smoker, but we've got a large pizza oven type thing with a chimney above it. Not sure what the hole is for, but a bit of research I'll be able to find out. And up here, if I can show you, whoops, is access. I can't really see. Up here we have access to the roof of the bottom half of the house, up these little steps. I haven't been up there yet, but I plan to in the next few days. Here's a bit more of the garden, looking from where the path comes up from the gate. Moving around. The front of the house. Right, that's the entrance to the lamb oven room. There's the window to what eventually will be Max's bedroom, but for this year is going to be the tool room. Again, some glass needed here on this door, on these windows, but this leads into the bottom half of the house. Here we go, I've already been in and turned the lights on to make it easier for us to see. Now in here we have some vintage tiles. All our boxes and stuff down here, just ignore those. That's the entrance to the cellar, and over here we have a sink. No water going to it at the moment, but there may be in the future. This is the cellar. Let's just see if I can get in there without banging my head. Oh, steady. I'll try that again, shall I? In we go. Now, typical cellar. That window needs replacing. That's water pipes when the water's coming in. There's a fair amount needs to be done in here, but that will happen when I get around to it. There are some shelves there, but that's basically the cellar. This doorway leads to the room which will eventually become Max's room, but as I said, it's a tour room for now, and it's also full of the stuff that we unloaded. There's a fair amount of work needs to be done in here, but we will get to it. One job at a time. So we come out of the bottom half of the house, leading up to the top half of the house. That is the front view. Let's go and have a look. There is a balcony up there. I haven't yet been up there, but again, I will get to it. And this here are the steps up to the front of the house. As you can see, we've got mosquito netting up because there are a lot of flies and mosquitoes this time of year. This is where we've been living. Let's push our way through there. Whoops. And here's our front door. The intention was to do a video before we unloaded, but we had to get in and do stuff. So currently we've got the toilet set up in the corridor here. That end of the room is going to become the shower room and toilet, so it seemed fitting to put it there. Into here we go, and this room will be our sitting room, stroke bedroom. Once Max comes over, we'll be sleeping in here. As you can see, all our stuff there. Yorkshire tea bag's very important. And this doorway here leads through into the kitchen. As you can see,
I don't know if I need to do photos.
We've got the kitchen sorted here. This is how far we've got at the moment. But sink, kettle, all the things we really need. Back into the hallway and across to which the room that's currently is our bedroom, as you can tell. Max will have this when he first comes over, before we manage to kit out the bottom end of the house. The other curtain naturally is purple. And that currently is it.